There it is. The jewel of the bay. Still call it Pacific Belt Park.
No, it's called SBC.
Yeah, I know.
South Beach Crematorium.
Just remember, you're a guest here. Be kind and be courteous.
Is that what I am?
Yeah. Well, we've arrived in the cove. It's about 12:30.
The ferry.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah.
Maybe we're in their way.
One place?
It's my turn.
No.
Blow that horn again.
They got another one there. Yeah. I guess he just.
One time.
And that's really, I mean, you know, that's really all
What do you
we
want?
care about.
Is that yours?
Because that's a big chunk when you have to pay it out of your own pocket.
Yeah. One time, the same thing. It was like, you know, I was already inside. Oh my God.
Take this and get these words.
It's John the bartender showing us his craft.
A seasoned veteran.
Nicely done. Oh yeah.
Now, sometimes I don't like these clothes, but sometimes they're kind of cool, you know.
I have a hard time getting them off the
Corkscrew.
Yeah, sometimes. That one came off really
This looks real nice.
Sometimes they...
Does anybody need any wine? Okay.
Well, it's the middle of the second inning. So far, it's a scoreless game.
Scoreless game.
Having a great time out here on the bay.
Giants have scored 2 runs this weekend. The Mets 2 runs. So this is
I know, it's going to be a tough,
If we can, one team, whatever team scores 5 runs first, we automatically concede the game.
Hell, it might be another 1-0 battle. Be lucky to get one.
We got Laurie pitching.
Yeah.
Since the All-Star break, he has a 1.61.
In the month of August, he's got about a 0.5 just in this month.
And at the beginning of the year, I was really stoked with him because he's a good pitcher.
He was 7-0 coming into this season.
Yeah, but he got off to a rough start early on.
I don't know. Well, just like Schmidt said, in the paper today, he said that was a head case. He's, because he's pitching a lot better now too. And he was saying, I was just thinking too much about what was going wrong and just not pitching. So.
Rocky went by the wayside. It's time for the 3-digit sign to go by the wayside. My suggestion was make it 2 digits.
End of 2, no score.
They're making it. My suggestion was take out the 3rd digit, put 2 in the middle, so that you're not making guys feel stupid because they can't hit the ball in the water, and you're not going to need that 3rd digit during any of our lifetime.
Right, 20 years.
Minimum.
Yeah, especially when Bond stays, man. It's going to stay at 30.
Of the 37, he was 33 or 34, So it's just, and with the steroid situation, nobody's going to be hitting that. And the answer in his letter to me was, when the park was built, they thought it was going to be a real hitter's park to right field.
That's what they thought.
Yeah, but okay, things change, right? So because I ended up saying, Rocky, I had another name for him too. Rocky went by the wayside because it's time for the 3-digit sign to go by the wayside. Rusty, not Rocky, Rusty.
I missed that little Rusty.
Whenever somebody walks where Rusty is, the chicken should walk out of there and walk back, and they should just get a big mechanical chicken there and walk out and walk out.
He was bad.
Oh, that was so bad. It was so embarrassing.
Rusty with a laughing stock.
I thought what they
yeah.
should have done was they should have
He's probably still in that box.
stands and have Rusty start going and give the fan like 3 baseballs. If you can hit Rusty with a baseball from like second base or something like that, you're going to
Because that was so bad. Well, anyway, he responded to the letter and said that it's Old Navy is their decision, which I think is a bunch of garbage.
And it's sad that when you build a ballpark like that, that you're at the mercy of the corporate sponsors. I mean, that's.
I gotta do that one of these days. Make my
Electronic accessories than ever for computers, audio and video, and wireless phones. Radio Shack. You've got questions, we've got answers. Radio Shack. KNBR 680, San Francisco. Your giant station. Hi, we gave you our trivia question back in 1999. This Mets infielder won the Silver Slugger Award in his position after hitting above 300 327 home runs, 108 RBIs. The answer, of course, current Giant, Edgardo Alfonso. And the question brought to you by Merrill West Credit Union. Join the move to Merrill.
Yeah, I don't like
You know, I figure, when I was at Schwab, I saw this shot. And I saw stuff that might have been bigger than the ferry there, and I sat there and said, if I were there, I would say,
You're in the market. Windows and patio. You can hear yourself speaking. That was a pretty good curveball from Lowry there. Woodward did.
hey,
Over. Here comes foul by me.
the other thing is, too, I bet you his light's bright as shit.
That thing. Hey Tom, just how bright is that light?
JT Snow just homered. Which would lead you to believe that Gene Glenn.
Pedro Feliz just homered. 3-1. Pedro Feliz.
We gotta get rid of that Feliz, you know?
We hate him.
Let's see, who was talking about this again?
All right, we're winning now.
Y'all agreed we'd rather have him in there than Alfonso.
And we heard from the peanut gallery. Come on, Austin. One was too loud.
The speed that follows. The big Woody, the first shot line.
Hey, can I have a drink? Get me a drink, please. A margarita? A margarita, please. Can you come a little closer?
John, we'll just throw you over. You can swim.
Oh, I forgot. An average lead. Here's the pitch to Matheny, swinging a little pop-up fouling out of play. About 20 rows back of the Mets duck, so they're going in the wrong direction. It's tough when they do that. Here's the pitch to Matheny, up high. Field of The scoreboard was wrong. We were wrong. That was wrong. So I had it right, and then I changed the scoreboard. Now the pitch is grounded to shortstop and yellow. Has it?
Classic.
That's right.
Austin was asking the same thing, and
All the things got TV. I wonder if people just bow.
3 runs in the
Back and forth.
and a run in the 7th. They lead 4-1. Bell to Lindsay.
2 outs in the ninth. 2 outs.
Thank God. Was he 9? 9, 10 innings?
Yeah. Yeah, time to go.
One shooter not batting left-handed. A walk, 6 strikeouts. And at third, Feliz. Here's and it's low. 1 ball and no strike.
They're on their feet.
Coming up to Matsui, swinging a bouncing ball up the middle, past the skill, and into center field.
Base hit.
And
the Mets are still alive.
And now Marlon Anderson.
Okay, 3-2 pitch. They're on their feet once again.
3-2. Benitez is ready. The look to second. The pitch. Playing a pop-up. Middle of the diamond. Feliz. Calling. Feliz on the mound. Makes the catch. That's the ball.
And that's... Giants win! Hey! All right, Giants win.
Arizona, where they scored 39. So tip your cap to the Giants pitching staff. Hey, great job in this 3-game series. Giants win it by a final of 4-1. We will have all the votes.